You take back bird, I'll take front bird. Yep. Buddy. They'll circle down. I think, nope, they're coming right in. Let them work. They're gonna get down and they're gonna come right in the channel. Yep. Yeah. I think so. You gotta let them drop. One more. Okay, that I did not see coming. He was right over here by these trees. Penny. Okay, come on, move. Go. Right here. Mace, right here. Mace. Penny! Come on.
She was hovering.
No, that was perfect. Good girl. I saw it's like Mace. Penny! Get him, girl, get him! Get him, girl, get him! Come here, Penny. Penny, girl, back! Come on. Here, heel. Penny! Nope. Good girl. Back. Come on, back. Penny, back. Penny. I know. Sit here. Sit heel. Penny. No. Penny. Good dog. Good girl. Good girl here. Good girl, Penny. Come on, Penny girl. Come on, Penny girl. Oh, that's our best dog. Come here, Penny girl. Oh, good girl. Come on. Oh, that's a good dog. She like got caught on luck. Come here, you. Oh, that's a good girl. Oh, yeah. Good dog. Dude, did you see her back pedal? Oh, good girl. Made my day.
Did she watch that?
Yeah. Well, kind of. I was like, Penny, and she looked at me again. And I was like, nope, don't, here. Good shot.
For like 2 seconds.
It's a pretty hit. Dude, no, she was way more than 2 seconds.
That's a pretty head nod.
Good girl.
Some bright colors on her back.
Good girl, Penny. Oh, yeah. Got a dog. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my place.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, that was perfect.
She's hovering over those cats. I thought she was gonna dump in. She just hovered.
That was so great. Colt's like,
I'll eat this bird.
did he honor very well, or is he trying to go?
Colt? Oh, he wanted to bring it.
Good girl, Penny.
He's over here whining.
Good girl, Penny. Place. Oh, what a start, though. Here, I'll give you another treat for that.
So it's all
Oh, good girl, Penny dog.
It's all on that.
Did you
thing.
see those birds, Colty? Did you see those birds, Penny? Did you see those birds, Mason? I did. That's close. Do you think you could have got them if you were standing up? Mason's going to get more cover. Had a couple birds working. Penny got a very good retrieve today. So it's going to do more water work. That's what it comes down to. But got some birds working. She got a good retrieve today. Oh, she got a good retrieve. And hopefully we can get a couple more for her. Where?
Get 3.
Yep. You take the top.
I'm fucking hood. You take top.
Come here, Penny. Penny. Oh, she can do it, dude. She can do it. Penny.
Ouch.
I blast you?
A little bit. Yeah. They're definitely raining.
You said Drake, and there was 2 Drakes. And I was like,
Oh, that one was beautiful. I didn't see the upper ones dump in.
no, it was like 10 feet above it. You see where that thing fell? I think so.
Beautiful, though.
Oh, dude. Penny, heel. 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 Penny. Penny. You're gonna get it. Heel. Penny. Penny. Come on. Go get him. Penny. Penny. The bird. Good girl. Go get him. Good girl. Go get him. Penny. No, back. Come on. Back. No, back. Go get him. Good girl. Good girl. Dude, that whole group did it so... I thought we were going to clean the whole group up. Back. Back. You bring Colt. Bring Colt. I want to get this bird picked up. We'll try to get another one. Come here. She went off like she was going to do it, and then there was nothing floating. You didn't even see the other ones? Oh, get down, get down. Get your gun. Penny, Penny, come here. Come here. Should we just go back to the blind?
Yeah.
I know he's stoned. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, no, this fucking hood, man. It was like this. I was like grabbing the Drake, I was about to shoot, and you go, top, and I was like, top, and I went like this.
It was literally
And it was
5
like
feet
this. I
above
was
it.
like, oh, fuck, and I couldn't shoot.
Kill her there, kill her there. That was probably our look. Did you not see her?
I thought she went behind us.
No, she was
Going around the tree.
She was right here. Communication's a little off today. Just a little bit. Take that one. Take that one. The one above us? Behind us? No, the one of the decoys. How'd your morning go?
Good. 100% on the shooting. 2 birds.
Were you really 100%?
Yeah. The teal and then the
more.
hen, yeah.
Nice.
1 shot for 1 shot.
Anyways, Penny's having a hard day. She's getting made go in the water a little bit, but she'll get it. We'll get her there. Ended the day with 3 birds. We got 1 green winged teal, beautiful mallard drake, a really cool mallard hen. Got Penny, and Colt. Hi, Colt. Mason, how'd you do today, Mason?
Did good. We got the birds we got. I don't know if we got them on camera, but just back pedaled on the right over the cattails and decoys. Perfect for training. It was nice. Could have had a couple more. But didn't want to do the pass by shots. They're only 25, but pass by. We want to make sure the dogs were seeing them, just flutter there, get their attention, get the splash for good, perfect fetch.
So if you guys like these videos, hit that like and subscribe button like normal. Otherwise, we'll catch you on the next one.